welcome to the next tutorial. This tutorial we're going to go over coupons. If you want to give your subscribers or your viewers a discount, how do you do that? So we are going to go to Bettering the Office, because that's the one I put in last time, so I know it has a cost in there. And we're going to go to where it says step number 2, which is course price, pricing style, and discount coupons. So we're going to go there. And then we have in my last video, I stopped there. So we're going to go back to single payment. And we have $297. You could get this course. Okay, let's say I want to give a coupon. So you go down a little bit lower and you see discount coupons. And you just do, over here, you do add. And then you could name your coupon. And I will name it Summer Special. And then you have the option of doing a percent or a set amount. I think I will do a set amount. We're going to do $50 off. And then you have down here, it says coupon expires. So you could put a specific time, or it goes on and on and on. We are going to put, let's put it for, it ends in June 2021. Who knows when you see this video? It may be after 2021. But for now, that is the date. That is quite a bit. So then you do save. And then you have your coupon. And that's the code that they would put in. Actually, I would put a better code than that. That's probably a little hard. But let's add one more, because you can have as many coupons as you want. And this is going to be, let's see, what should I name this one? Super duper. Well, actually, this is how I would do it, but you could do it however you want. Super duper 20%. And that's what they would type in to get the code. And so we got to click on percent, and I'm going to put 20%. And this one's never going to expire. So we do save. And so now we have these 2 coupons. This is what they would type into the order form. And that's the special they would get. It's super easy, and that is it for this course, or for this tutorial. And we will see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Thanks.